channel, and if you're new here or if you're coming over from the playlist, welcome. I'm Holly and I'm very happy to have you here. I hope that everyone is having a great day today. Also, today is a collaboration video. So this one is for the Super Bowl, and we're sharing appetizers and finger food type recipes. And this is being hosted by Mariana at MVP on the Go. Her channel consists of a lot of cleaning, organizing, DIY projects, lots of lifestyle content. So please go and check her channel out. I'm going to leave that link down below in the description box. So please be sure to go and like and subscribe. Also, I'm going to leave the playlist down below in the description box as well of everyone who is participating in this collaboration. So please be sure to go and check their channels out. I know that they're going to have great recipes that you can also try. So make sure to like and subscribe to their channels. My channel, usually you'll find cooking and grocery hauls, things like that. So if you like that type of content, please subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely love to have you here and become a part of my YouTube family and become a part of this community that we're building here. And now I'm going to show you what it is I made for this video, and I hope that you enjoy it. I think it's a good recipe, very simple, very easy to make, and it's great for any time. But I hope that you enjoy it and enjoy the video. And this is called a blooming quesadilla ring, and this is great for the Super Bowl or any time. This is a great food you can make for a party or just to snack on. But you will need 3 cups of shredded chicken, and I'm using a rotisserie chicken, 3 cups of shredded Monterey Jack cheese, 3 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, 1 red bell pepper chopped, 1 onion chopped, 1 cup of taco sauce. It calls for 1 jalapeno pepper, and I added just a little bit of extra chopped up. And you will also need 20 flour tortillas. And now I'm going to show you how quick and easy this is to put together and how delicious this is. To a large bowl, you want to add the chicken, and I like to use rotisserie chicken for recipes like this. I just find it makes things go a little quicker and it's easier. Add the onions, the bell pepper, and the jalapeno pepper. And then you want to just stir this up until everything is fully combined. Add the taco sauce and then stir all of this up again. And you will cut the tortillas in half, and then you're going to spread on that chicken mixture. Then add some of the Monterey Jack cheese and the cheddar cheese. The recipe says 2 tablespoons each. I kind of just added what I felt would fit, and I tend to overload these, so you'll have to use your judgment on how much to add. But I felt like it turned out fine, just like this. But then you just roll it up and just try to roll it where nothing falls out. I had a few that did, but that's okay. I just scooped all of that up and put it in another tortilla. But you're going to roll it and then put it seam side down. And when you're rolling it, you kind of want to roll it sort of at an angle. You're kind of making it like a fluted look. So one end will be fuller and the other end will have a point to it, if that makes sense. But then what you're going to do is take and I used just a pizza pan, covered it with some parchment paper, and I put a bowl in the middle, just a small bowl, and then you're going to line your tray with that. So you're using that bowl as a guide to go in a circle, and so you want the point to go towards the bowl. And again, cutting the tortilla in half, add that chicken mixture, and as I said, use your judgment on how much to add, because I know it can be difficult to fold these. Add the cheese again and then continue to roll it up. And the most important thing to remember is just to put it seam side down once you put it into the pan. But that's basically it. Just continue to put those around the pan, and the point side goes towards the bowl, as I said. And once you get the one layer down, then you will add some of the cheese onto that. And I didn't add a whole lot. This is more kind of like a glue, I guess you can say. So I just added a little bit going around. And you can add more if you want. I just didn't want it to be too messy either once you start to eat these. But just put that around, and then you will put the next layer on top, which I did here, and then add some more cheese on top of that. And take that bowl out of the middle. Then you will bake these in the oven on 375 for about 15 to 20 minutes until the edges are crispy. And I had about 2 of those tortillas left, so what I decided to do is just cut those, just to show you another way if you wanted to do it. If you want, you can also you don't have to cut it first. I cut it first because I feel like it's a mess once everything's in it, and I go to cut it, everything falls out. So I just cut it ahead of time into triangles, added that mixture on top with some cheese, and just put the tortilla shells back on top, and just bake those in the oven on another sheet, on a cookie sheet with some parchment paper. Added some cheese on top. So that's just another option if you don't want to roll them up or anything. But this is what they look like when they came out, and as you can see, it perfectly baked in a circle, and I think they turned out great. They were a little brown on the edges, but that's okay. But if you want, you can put a little bit of foil over it to stop that. I just wasn't paying attention to the time. But this really did turn out great, really delicious, great for any time. And I just added the bowl back in the middle with some salsa in it. You can put whatever type of dip or anything that you would want to dip those in. And please don't forget to check out Mariana's channel and the playlist down below. And I want to thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope everyone has a blessed day and a great week ahead. God bless y'all.